Does your mind ever just stop? Or is it always thinking, replaying conversations, planning the future, overanalyzing the past, creating worst-case scenarios? Even when you're tired, your brain keeps talking. This is called constant mental noise, and it's exhausting. In this video, we'll break down why your mind won't slow down and how to quiet it without suppressing your thoughts. What is mental noise? Mental noise is non-stop internal dialogue. It can sound like overthinking, self-criticism, worry loops, imaginary arguments, constant planning. Your brain is stuck in cognitive overdrive. Why your brain does this? Your brain evolved to protect you. Thinking ahead prevented danger. Analyzing mistakes prevented repetition. But in modern life, the threat is rarely physical, it's psychological. So your brain scans for social rejection, failure, embarrassment, uncertainty, and it never fully switches off. The neuroscience behind mental noise. Two key systems are involved: the default mode network, DMN, and the amygdala. The default mode network activates when you're not focused on a task. It generates self-referential thinking, reflection, rumination, daydreaming. If overactive, it increases anxiety and overthinking. The amygdala adds emotional intensity, so thoughts feel urgent, important, threatening. Why silence feels uncomfortable? When there's no distraction, mental noise becomes louder. So many people keep scrolling, play background noise, stay constantly busy. Distraction masks mental noise. It doesn't solve it. Signs you have constant mental noise: difficulty falling asleep, overanalyzing conversations, trouble relaxing, feeling mentally tired, struggling to be present, anxiety during quiet moments. Your brain is stuck in alert mode. How to quiet mental noise. 1. Train focused attention. When you focus deeply on one task, the default mode network quiets down. Reading, writing, studying, creating. Single tasking reduces rumination. 2. Practice thought labeling. Instead of fighting thoughts, label them: planning, worrying, remembering. Labeling reduces emotional intensity. It activates the prefrontal cortex. 3. Regulate your nervous system. Slow breathing, longer exhales. Calm body, calm mind. Your thoughts slow when your body feels safe. 4. Limit constant input. Reduce social media, news overload, multitasking. External noise fuels internal noise. 5. Schedule worry time. Give your brain 10 to 15 minutes daily to write down worries. Contain the noise. Don't let it run all day. Important truth: you are not broken. You are overstimulated and unregulated. Mental noise increases when stress is high, sleep is low, dopamine is dysregulated, emotions are suppressed. When you regulate your nervous system, the volume decreases. Signs you're improving: you fall asleep faster, thoughts feel less urgent, you're more present in conversations, silence feels calmer, anxiety decreases. Quieting the mind is a skill, not a personality trait. To summarize, mental noise is overactive internal dialogue. The default mode network fuels rumination. Stress amplifies thought intensity. Focus and breathing reduce noise. Regulation restores clarity. Your brain was built to think, but it also needs stillness, and stillness can be trained. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to Psych Academy for brain-based mental mastery, comment, when is your mental noise the loudest?